What's up, guys? Past couple days, definitely the motivation to wrench on this thing has been a little low with everything that's going on. However, there ain't no quitting this guy. So we're gonna try to figure this out, bring you along and see what's going on. I'm gonna drop the tank tonight, see if we can get to the fuel pump and see if we can figure out what the hell's going on with this thing. Who knows, maybe I get lucky and it's something fairly simple. But for anybody who owns a third gen, you guys know, dropping the tank just sucks. So I'm gonna try to do it on my back tonight. We'll see how far we get. Hopefully I can get to the pump and see what we got. So stay tuned. Hope you enjoy. All right, so I got the sending unit out, and these two pins were very loose. Very, very, very loose. So I'm hoping if I just fix these, the little locks that are, the tangs that are on the back, so it locks back in, hopefully that will be good to go. But we'll see. It's 3 in the morning, East Coast time, and I'm been working on this thing, trying to get fuel pressure, and I'm over the moon to say we got fucking fuel pressure. We got it. Let's see if I can get it there. There it is. There it is. We got the fuel pressure. Now we got that going, we can work on the transmission and see what's going on with the transmission. I think it's ultimately and solely just going to be the shift linkage. So I'm going to go to bed, but we got it done, and I'm happy. So one step closer to actually start really getting a good feel of what this thing is going to do. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Until next time, be safe.